Hello, fiends. Welcome back to my witchy kitchen. If you're new here, my name's Baba Yaga, Jen for short. Welcome to my trap. Actually, I just mean welcome to the channel. I hope you'll consider signing a contract, or at least subscribing and sticking around. Tonight we're going to delve into the forbidden arts to create sinister dragon eggs. They are twisted and true. Beware, these are no ordinary delicacies. They're deviled eggs born of magic and mystery. To begin, you must gather your dragon eggs. You might consider hiring someone for that part unless you have flame retardant underpants. Purloin carefully. Using your best cauldron, boil your dragon eggs. Dragon eggs do best when boiled for around 12 minutes. While they cook, gather your ice bath and prepare all of your potions of transformation. Use whatever potion you would like to add the mark of the dragon's curse to your eggs. My personal favorite is green, and you'll see why in just a little bit. Once you get all of your potions mixed and your eggs are finished, remove them to the ice bath. You want to cool your dragon eggs quickly so that they're easier to peel later. When they're cooled off, just give them a good smack with the back of your spoon to crack the shells ever so slightly. You want to do this over the whole surface. Then add your eggs to your potions of transformation and let them sit overnight in your ice box for best results. Make sure to put a lid on them. After your eggs have rested overnight in their potions, remove them to a paper towel or a towel that you don't mind being stained. These potions are very potent, and not only will they stain your towels and your clothing, but they will stain your skin as well. At this point, you're going to want to very gently peel your dragon eggs. You want to remove the membrane and the shell without digging into the flesh of the egg. If you do dig into the flesh a little bit, it's not a big deal. Older dragon eggs work much better for this process. But here you can see why green is my favorite color. It not only leaves these striking green lines, but it tints the egg this gnarly yellow color, and it's absolutely beautiful. Once you get all of your eggs peeled, you want to carve them in half and scrape out their guts into your second best cauldron. You want to be careful so that you don't break your eggs, but at this point, they're very firm because they're cold. When you get them all in there, just use a spoon or a fork to break the yolks up. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of mustard, a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm also going to add some dried dill, but that's totally optional. Of course, I'm going to add some red pepper flake, and then salt and pepper to taste. You could add some dill pickle relish to this, but these are dragon eggs. Dragon eggs are supposed to be spicy, so I'm adding pickled jalapenos. Don't be a Halloweenie. Use the peppers. I promise. You'll love it. At this point, if you're just hosting some boring book club, a Game of Thrones party, or a D&D game and you just want your eggs to look pretty, stop right here. Seriously, just stop right here. Just fill the eggs as you would normal deviled eggs and be done with it. I, however, am not stopping at this point. It's Halloween. What would be the fun in that? I added potion to the egg mixture to turn it this cursed bog green. I used a baggie to pipe my putrid filling into the eggs, and I did it just as absolutely messy as I possibly could. Who doesn't love a gross out Halloween treat? So that is exactly what I did with this. And that's it. There you have it, boils and ghouls. You have edible dragon eggs born of magic and mayhem. Perfect for any cursed feast. Until next time, may your cauldrons bubble and your spells never falter. Farewell, and beware the dragon's breath.